Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create custom city maps in Canva completely for free. It's a simple way to design beautiful map graphics for posters, travel blogs, or social media posts. First, go to canva.com and log in with your account. Once you're on the home page, click on Create a Design and choose the size you want, like Instagram post or desktop wallpaper. Next, head to the left sidebar and click on Elements. In the search bar, type City Map or Map of, followed by your city name. Canva will show a variety of map templates and graphics you can use. Select a map that fits your style and drag it onto your canvas. You can adjust the size, rotate it, or even change the colors using the Edit tools at the top. If you want a more personalized touch, add labels, icons, or text to mark landmarks, neighborhoods, or special locations. Canva's free elements make it easy to highlight routes or decorate your map creatively. When you're happy with the design, click the Download button at the top right corner and choose your preferred format like PNG or PDF. And that's it. You've just created your own custom city map in Canva for free. Perfect for projects, social posts, or even framed wall art. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out more Canva tutorials.